Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce you to know the one place that Cambodia got the very unusual species of freshwater dolphin. So freshwater dolphin is only in Cambodia and some in Myanmar. But it's interesting that Cambodia, the tourism not only visit similar province of Angkor Wat, Bayon, Taprom, Bantisray, Prakan, and other ruins. Not only in Phnom Penh, the capital city, that you guys can visit the Royal Palace, the National Museum, the Monument Independence, the killing fields, and the prison of the Khmer Rouge genocidal regimes. Not just only the beach to the south west of the country with the white sand, but you can come to Kratie Province to the northeast of the country. So this province is located along the Mekong River, that the house of the special species of freshwater dolphin that no anywhere in the world have. Of course, in Myanmar, but in Cambodia we do have. Then it's good for you guys come to see and take a boat along the Mekong River, visit the beautiful sceneries, and also stop by in the dolphin freshwater, and then come to see the mountain that I show you about the monk statue carry rice balls. At the edge of the mountain, surrounded by the jungle, very nice, guys. Let's come to the Kratie Province with us.
Bunny and Ronnie, hello. Yeah, Brad behind, yeah. Yeah. So, this is the Phnom Sambok. Phnom Sambok located at the mouth of the Mekong River, not so far away from the Prekampi, the islands, the deep lake for the dolphin. South, I bring my clients. They are from France. They spend in Cambodia 2 weeks to explore the site and around Cambodia. Now I bring them to visit the Phnom Sambok, the Buddhist center on the mouth of the Mekong River, next to the dolphin area of the Mekong River. That'd be interesting to see the monk statues carry the rice ball. They made until 108 statues, which is the holy number to bring good luck to the visitors who come to visit in this mountain area. This is a steps up and down to the mountain.